avoid these 6 errors when using AI to create KDP books, artificial intelligence has exploded onto the self-publishing scene, giving independent authors the ability to brainstorm ideas, draft passages, and even generate cover art in minutes. Yet this power comes with new responsibilities. If you dive into Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, without understanding Amazon's policies and the limitations of generative tools, your account can be suspended or your book removed. Here are 6 costly errors authors make when using AI for KDP and how to avoid them. 1. Treating AI as a one-click writer. AI can produce coherent paragraphs and mimic styles, but it doesn't understand context or nuance. The Authors Guild notes that unchecked use of generative AI threatens to flood the market with books that displace human authors. AI tools are prediction engines. They sometimes insert incorrect or dangerous information. Use AI to brainstorm, outline, or produce rough drafts, but always bring your own voice to the manuscript. Edit every sentence, verify facts, and rewrite passages to reflect your expertise. Think of AI as an assistant, not a replacement. 2. Failing to disclose AI-generated content. In September 2023, Amazon updated its KDP upload form with a question: is your content created by AI? Authors must answer truthfully when any text, images, or translations are generated by an AI. Non-disclosure can violate content guidelines and lead to removal or suspension. Amazon's new disclosure policy seeks to provide transparency and protect consumers. If you use ChatGPT to draft chapters or a generative art tool for the cover, tick the disclosure box. If you only used AI for editing, grammar, or brainstorming, considered AI assisted, you don't have to disclose. 3. Publishing unedited AI output. Some authors upload AI-written manuscripts without thoroughly reviewing them. This is risky. Generative models sometimes produce nonsensical or dangerous content. A noted case involved an AI-generated foraging guide that misidentified poisonous mushrooms. KDP's quality guidelines apply equally to AI and human-written books. You are responsible for the accuracy and safety of your book. Always fact-check AI suggestions, verify quotes, and cross-reference information. Use AI as a starting point and invest time editing for consistency, clarity, and tone. 4. Ignoring copyright and licensing issues. Many AI models are trained on data that may include copyrighted texts and images. The Authors Guild warns that the unchecked use of generative AI can result in content farms appropriating the names and styles of real authors. When using AI-generated cover art, confirm that the tool's license permits commercial use and doesn't infringe on another creator's work. Avoid prompts that might evoke famous characters or trademarks. For text, run plagiarism checks to ensure the output doesn't mirror existing books. When in doubt, consult a legal expert or choose stock images with clear commercial licenses. 5. Spamming the platform with low-quality books. Because AI accelerates drafting, some publishers upload dozens of books in a short period, hoping one will hit. In response, Amazon set a limit of 3 new books per day for each KDP account to slow the surge of AI-made titles. Flooding the market with rushed, repetitive content diminishes your brand and may trigger account reviews. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Take time to craft a well-researched, polished book that readers will enjoy. Build an author brand and cultivate a mailing list. Long-term success comes from loyal readership, not volume. 6. Ignoring Kindle Direct Publishing guidelines. Even seasoned writers overlook basic KDP rules when excited by AI. Amazon's guidelines require correct formatting, accessible images, and content that doesn't mislead or harm readers. Non-compliant books can be removed without warning. Familiarize yourself with KDP's requirements for metadata, interior formatting, and cover specifications. Use tools like Kindle Create to format your manuscript, ensure your cover meets the correct dimensions, and verify that your book description accurately represents the content. Check your file with Kindle Previewer to identify errors before publishing. Wrap up and next step. AI can be a powerful ally when writing and publishing on Amazon, but only if you approach it ethically and strategically. Treat AI output as raw material, disclose AI-generated text or images, edit thoroughly, respect copyright, prioritize quality, and follow KDP's evolving rules. Want to turn KDP publishing into a real income stream? Check out our step-by-step guide to making six figures with low-content books. You'll learn how to research profitable niches, design books that sell, and publish them on Amazon without writing a single word. Grab the full guide here.